I don't like the looks of this. Hold position. Negative. No good. The area's compromised. Hold position. Hold position. We'll wait for the target here. Hold up! Let the target come to us! The area's a no-go. We'll wait here. Think you're tired. He's coming after us again. Hold up. We'll wait for him here. Hold position. I say again, hold position.
Motherfucker! I've got no visual on the hostiles. Contact! Contact! I got a likely ambush site ahead. I'm holding position here. Area ahead is not secure. I'm holding position here. We'll see who's laughing when I put my boot up your ass. I got signs of suspicious activity dead ahead. Holding position. You think that's funny? Watch this. The area ahead looks compromised. I'm holding position. For an ass kicking. The area ahead is a no-go. I'm holding.
I don't know who you are, or what you're doing here, but thank you. They were going to...
Save it. There's a weaponized EMP slung up 100 yards from here. It's going to be activated tonight. Tell me how to stop
You
it.
can't. There's 2 generators on site. When they're activated, they'll juice the EMP, and then it'll discharge.
What's the catch?
If you take out one generator, the other one automatically flashes. Each of them alone is enough to trigger the pulse.
So I need to hit both at the same time.
Yes. Or else it goes off. Are you with a friend? Otherwise, there's no way.
There's always a way. Now you better go. Things are going to get ugly around here.
It's going to get ugly everywhere.
Right about then, things started getting complicated. For some reason, Sarah was suspicious, but I'd managed to talk her into climbing into the chopper and had gone airborne to rendezvous with Sam. But there were too many moving parts for things to go smoothly, and Sam didn't know what he was really up against. Tagging the generators that fed the EMP so I could take them out from the air, that was the least of it.
I got no targets. Surround Fisher. No targets at this time.
Surround Fisher!
I can't get him fixed. Where is he?
Don't let Fisher get
Nothing. Intruder! There! Inside the pit! Time for an act through here! Box him in! Box him in!
on the target! I'll provide cover! Come here! Save my thing!
Don't let Fisher get through the doors! I'm not...
Over, Fisher! Not this time!
Surround Fisher!
Not good.
Try, hotshot.
Target is close!
Gotta be close. Keep your heads on a swivel.
I'm gonna get the damn it in this, I swear.
Whoa! Got contact! Surround Fisher!
Won't end like at the airfield.
No movement! Subject spotted! It's Fisher!
All units, move in.
Don't let Fisher get through the door! Heads up! Frag out! Contact is inside the pit!
Come here. Keep my thing.
We're going in!
No time. Move it. We're gonna hold
The
here.
target is can't get a visual. Look, I'm moving!
That's over, Fisher. Not this time.
Back up!
I guess I'm the traitor.
Hey, there's movement in the... Think this is funny?
It's the end, Fisher. You're over.
That was interesting.
Hey, Splinter. Come here. Keep my thing.
Vic, I've got bad news.
And water remains wet. What do you got?
There are 2 generators powering the EMP. I need to take both out simultaneously, and I'm all out of C4.
Mark the GPS coordinates for me. I'll see what I can do when I get there.
Roger that.